What if I told you one single space mission did what took other nations decades to achieve? Orbiting Mars, landing on Mars, and driving a rover on Mars, all at once. In 2021, China quietly pulled off one of the most complex space missions in history. No loud countdowns. No global hype. Just results. This is the story of Tianwen-1, and why it changed Mars exploration forever. Tianwen-1 means, questions to heaven, inspired by an ancient Chinese poem. But this mission wasn't poetry. It was precision. Launched by China in July 2020, Tianwen-1 was designed as an all-in-one Mars mission, an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, all packed into a single launch. China had one clear goal: prove it could operate independently in deep space. Mars represents the ultimate test: long distances, extreme conditions, and zero room for error. Tianwen-1 was China's entry into elite planetary exploration, alongside NASA and ESA. After traveling nearly 500 million kilometers, Tianwen-1 entered Mars orbit in February 2021. Instead of landing immediately, the spacecraft spent months mapping the surface, carefully choosing a safe landing site. Landing on Mars is called 7 minutes of terror. Tianwen-1 had to slow from 20,000 kilometers per hour, automatically. In May 2021, the lander touched down successfully in Utopia Planitia. China had officially landed on Mars. Out rolled Zhurong, China's first Mars rover. Named after the god of fire. It became only the second rover in history to operate on Mars after NASA's. And it worked. Zhurong studied Mars soil, weather, magnetic fields, and underground structures. One major question: did Mars once have water, and possibly life? Its ground-penetrating radar scanned beneath the surface, revealing hidden layers of ice and sediment. Tianwen-1 made China the first nation to orbit, land, and deploy a rover on its very first Mars mission. Zhurong operated for over a year, far exceeding expectations. The orbiter continues to send high-resolution images and scientific data back to Earth. Zhurong entered hibernation in 2022 due to harsh Martian winters. Although it hasn't woken up yet, the orbiter is still active. Tianwen-1's mission technically continues, with data still shaping our understanding of Mars. Tianwen-1 wasn't just about Mars. It was about humanity's future beyond Earth. And it proved that the next chapter of space exploration will not be led by one nation, but many.